Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Lenovo ThinkPad X13. In this video, we will walk you through every step needed to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and some microfiber cloths. Make sure to have a safe workspace. Next, power off your laptop and disconnect all cables. To ensure safety, it's crucial to remove the battery if your model allows it. This will prevent any accidental short circuits during maintenance. Now, let's open the back panel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws on the back. Keep these screws organized. You can use a magnetic tray or a small container. As you remove the screws, remember that different sizes may be used, so take note of their positions. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force. If it doesn't budge, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's focus on cleaning. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fan and vents. This is vital for maintaining optimal airflow and cooling. If you find it difficult to reach certain areas, a soft brush can also be helpful. Remember, regular cleaning can prevent overheating and extend the lifespan of your device. After cleaning, check the connections and components for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to seek professional help. If you don't have the tools for a deeper diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's move on to the RAM and storage drives. If you plan to upgrade or replace these components, carefully release the clips holding the RAM in place and gently pull it out. For storage, unscrew the drive and slide it out. If you are unsure about upgrading, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now that everything is checked and cleaned, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel carefully and align it with the screws. Start by hand tightening the screws in the same order you removed them. This ensures even pressure and a secure fit. Before you power it on, double-check that everything is in its place. If you have any doubts or find the process overwhelming, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for maintenance services. This way, you can avoid the hassle of carrying your laptop. Finally, once everything is secured, reconnect your battery, plug in your power supply, and turn your laptop back on. Monitor its performance to ensure everything is functioning properly. Remember, if you experience any issues, we are here to help with no calls and no travel required. That wraps up our maintenance guide for the Lenovo ThinkPad X13. Regular upkeep can significantly improve your laptop's performance and lifespan. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.